loves! In today's video, I'll be creating this sunset inspired makeup look using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I will also be showing you swatches and doing a mini review of the new Wet n Wild Flights of Fancy limited edition baked blushes, and also showing you these $1 brushes from Dollar General by the brand Beauty Accents. Before we hop into the tutorial, I want to show you loves these new makeup brushes that I purchased from the brand Beauty Accents. I picked these up from Dollar General for $1 each. I bought 2 blending eyeshadow brushes and 1 angled face brush that I will be using to apply my blush in the tutorial. I'm priming my eye with the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in Fawn. And I'm blending it out with my AOA Studio E113. To start off the eye look, I'm combining both of the orange shades from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette on the Beauty Accents Blending Eyeshadow brush, and I'm working that in and above my crease. I really like this brush. The bristles are really soft and it made the eyeshadows really easy to blend. Since I'm applying a matte red shadow to the lid, I'm going in with that concealer again just to make sure that it'll show up as pigmented as possible. Now on my Modessa eyeshadow brush, I'm gently packing that red shadow onto my lid, and I'm packing it instead of dragging it because that helps to ensure the most color payoff. And also I wanted to leave the concealer tacky so that when it does dry down completely, the red shadow will not crack. For my brow bone highlight, I'm taking the LA Colors Matte Eyeshadow Single in the shade French Vanilla on my ColorMates eyeshadow brush. I decided to apply my liner and lashes off camera. The lashes I'm wearing are the Miss Lash 3D Volume Lashes in the style M314. To finish up the eye, I'm taking my AOA Studio E115 and applying that darker purple shade from the palette to my lower lash line. Time for mascara. I'm using the Black Radiance Lash Lengthening Mascara. The sleek wand makes it perfect for the lower lashes. Now I'm lining my waterline with the Flower Beauty Forever Wear eyeliner in Onyx. To highlight the inner corner of my eye, I'm taking the Ruby Kisses Luxe Color Single Shadow in the shade Golden Radiance on my E.L.F. Small Smudge brush. I purchased all 3 of the new limited edition Color Icon baked blushes by Wet n Wild. These blushes are part of their latest collection, Flights of Fancy, and I purchased them from Walmart for $5 each. Don't Flutter Yourself is a light baby pink. Dare to Soar is a hot, vibrant pink. I think this one would make a beautiful blush. And Hummingbird Hype is a really pretty gold. Even though these products are advertised as baked blushes, as you can see, they are very shiny, and I think Don't Flutter Yourself and Hummingbird Hype would make really pretty highlighters. These are on par with their Mega Glow highlighters in terms of pigmentation and the texture. It's very smooth to the touch and very easy to blend out. I definitely recommend these products, especially with a price tag of $5. I'm using the Beauty Accents Angled Blush Brush to apply this deep berry red shade from my E.L.F. blush palette in dark. I'm highlighting my cheekbones with the shade Hummingbird Hype using my Milani highlighter brush. Moving on to lips, the first product I'm applying is the LA Colors Matte Lipstick in the shade Starlit. I decided to go with a glossy lip, so now I'm just applying the LA Colors Super Shine Pout Lip Gloss in the shade Hot Lips. This is my completed sunset inspired makeup look. I had so much fun creating this look. The Take Me Back to Brazil palette has so many colors in it, and if you loves are interested in seeing a different color combination, let me know down below in the comments. Actually, just tell me anything down below in the comments. There will be a full list of products in the description box, so go ahead and check that out if you're interested. And until next time, bye loves!